What is up, you guys? So it is 10:30. Your girl made it home. We have dropped my mom off. She had a blast. My sister had a blast. Like, everybody had a blast. And now I'm about to, well, I put on like some chicken tenders for my husband and I, just like, you know, just something to throw on our stomachs real quick, because like, y'all, we've been gone it feels like the whole day. Arnez J was hilarious. Like, if he comes to your town, if he comes to your state, go see the man. Like, that man is funny. We had a blast. Like, we definitely had a blast. He was at the Improv and he really did his thing. There was another lady, her name was Carmen something. She opened up for him and she did amazing as well, and I believe she's from Dallas. But she has some segments on BET, she said, on Miss Pat's show, I think. But very, very hilarious, very good show. Then we ate and we went to shoot pool. What else did we do? We just enjoyed ourselves, y'all. My mom had a blast. My sister had a blast. Like, we all just had so much fun for this Mother's Day. So tomorrow is Sunday, and I want to go see the movie by Kerry Washington. So we're gonna do that tomorrow. But yeah, I'm about to, y'all know, wind it on down, get comfortable, put PJs, all that good stuff out the tub, you know. And I'll see y'all tomorrow on the actual Mother's Day. I was thinking about going to church, but y'all know what the CME mean. Christmas, Mother's Day, and Easter. Baby, them be the days that the church house be real packed, honey. So I don't think I'm gonna do church tomorrow. Maybe church online or something. But like I said, we enjoyed ourselves, y'all. We had a blast. So, like, I'm going to get comfortable, relax, and chill. My husband said he'd be able to find a nice little movie. My sister wanted to go out. I was like, girl. So probably next weekend or the weekend after, depending on, I'm gonna go out with her. And of course, I'll take y'all along with me. I may have to get footage like on my phone though, because y'all know I don't have that little pocket camera. Excuse me, I don't have the pocket camera, but excuse me. But we'll try to get some footage any kind of way we can, honey. And y'all know how it goes down. So I'm gonna let y'all go. I'm gonna talk to you guys tomorrow morning. And yeah, like I was saying, I have enjoyed the start of the Mother's Day weekend, I should say. Good morning. Happy Mother's Day to all the beautiful mothers out there. I'm getting my coffee in. Yeah. I had a fun-filled day yesterday. Yesterday was amazing. Like, I hadn't had fun like that in a while. And I had a ton of fun. So, the goal for me is to... Oh, it's a blue jay out there in my backyard. I wish y'all could see it, but by the time I move my camera, he probably fly on. See what I tell you. But anyways, it's so cute. But yeah, I'm gonna try my best to start getting out on the weekends, just finding different places to go, different things to do. I learned how to play pool yesterday. Yeah. I know, right? I'm late to the party, but hey, I made it. The vibe was very good. We had fun. I had fun with my sister and my mom. Like, everything was great. My husband taught us both how to how to shoot pool. Y'all, what's crazy is my dad, he loves pool. He never taught us though, but he got his own little stick and everything. When he get ready to shoot pool, honey, he bring out old Jack. Everybody know about it. I was about to hit that. Everybody knows about it. Seriously. Yeah, it's crazy, right? But yeah, just sitting here talking to y'all though, just looking out the window. It's so nice out. I think I'm gonna go out, sit on my deck, you know, catch the vibes a little bit. I think it's nice out, so I think I'm gonna do that. Get some fresh air. Today I'm supposed to go to the movies, and I don't know what else I'm gonna be doing.
Let's roll.
So, yeah. Nature song. It's all your birds, all the trees, all the wind, like the wind, just the background. Listen, that trend, if you got it, flaunt it, boy, I know you want it. Your girl about to drop that, honey, because that thing too lit for the girls in the 30s. Listen, I'm finna join the challenge. Watch. Boy, I know you want it. Watch me check up on it. Baby, them mosquitoes tore my little right ankle up. I should have had a citronella plant on that side, honey. They weren't messing with the left side. That's where the plant was sitting. I need it on all sides. Yay! Hi, son.
Happy Mother's Day.
I got Mother's Day, y'all. Y'all see it? Y'all see it?
Yep.
Right? Oh, these are my favorites. Yep. Jam on the way.
Oh.
Yeah. Oh, thank you. I needed this in my life.
Oh, yeah.
Y'all, this is something I needed. You got me a balloon, flowers. Look, I needed this, y'all. I was like, I need, when he said, what you want for Mother's Day? Baby, I need another SD card, honey, for this camera. Something I need. I appreciate it, son. Thank you so much. Happy Mother's Day to me. Look, and all the mothers out there. The good, the bad, the struggle, all of it, honey. Happy Mother's Day.
Oh,
Go on and get it together, son. I ain't in no rush. I'm right here. Oh, he got me a loving card. Oh, this is cute.
I just wrote that sticker.
Cute card. You're more than my mom. You were one of my very first teachers. Yes, amen. You taught me to choose wisely, to have hope and work hard. You taught me to try new things even if I thought I wouldn't like it. To have faith in myself and to put family first. Most important of all, you taught me by example how to be a truly good person. Happy Mother's Day to someone who I love and respect so much. Yay, thank you, son. Give me a hug. Give me a hug, boy. Yeah. Thank you.
You welcome.
I love it.
Alright, you took care of it.
Called chili rimmed, and this one is called sour. I went into Mac for plum and they didn't have it, so yeah. Oh, my glasses, you guys, I got my glasses back. They're so cute. I had to pay like $200 and some odd for my glasses. Whoops. This is the original pair. I should have followed my first mind. I always follow the first thought that comes to mind, y'all. I should have followed my first mind and got these. My other glasses, they're cool, but they all right. You know, they're good for the summer. They have the tint on them, so the good thing is I don't have to always wear my glasses or wear those. I mean contacts. I don't have to always wear contacts when I'm like going to the beach or the lake or something, or outside in the summer. I can put those on and it has the perfect tint. It's like the dark tint, honey. What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the Doxy Takeover. It is your girl Doxy here. We are starting the vlog off on a Wednesday. I'm currently on my lunch, about to whip up some fried rice. Go ahead and get my chopping board. What is up, y'all? I've been craving some fried rice. So I got my bean sprouts. I got everything. I already have my day-old rice. I have my veggies. Listen, your girl was not playing. So I need to cut up this onion though real quick. I figured why not talk to y'all while I'm doing so, you know? Because, yeah, I know I've been MIA because I ain't been feeling like vlogging. I've been trying to focus on other things. Y'all know life. Y'all know how life happens. You get to, you know, life just be life sometime. But yeah, I said, let me go and talk to the people today. So that's what your girl about to have. Y'all seen this challenge going around. It's called the 75 hard or 75 soft challenge. So I was really thinking about doing the 75 soft challenge because I think that would be good for me, you know. I already downloaded the app that's online. I mean on my phone. I downloaded the app, and I also downloaded another app for meal prepping. But I just be throwing stuff together, so I don't even know if I'm really gonna use that meal prep, because like I said, I just be throwing stuff together, and the stuff that I throw together that be left over in my refrigerator, honey, it slaps. It's so good. And so I don't know if I'm gonna use that app, but if I do, I'll definitely share, you know, the recipes with y'all. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do one more onion. Hold on, y'all. The beginning of the year it's sewed up for me, like seriously, because it's so many celebrations. It starts with my sister month, which really this year I didn't really celebrate my birthday like I wanted to, so I'm thinking about doing like a pool party or something this summer, just a celebration of my birthday, because I don't know what happened. I don't know if I was sick or what happened on my birthday, but I don't know if the energy was good or what, but I do know I didn't celebrate my birthday. Just a do-over so we can get that in the books. But yeah, changing the tune, because life is beautiful, honey. Celebrate it with the people that you love, people that's gonna be there for you. Just celebrate life. And whoever got an issue with it, then hey, let them go figure it out. I was just like, I must show up for people more. Honey, I thought I did cut my finger. Good gosh. Baby, I done cut my finger.